All right, guys, imagine a world where fish farming isn't just about tossing some feed into a pond. Today, we're diving into the future of fish farming, where technology meets aquaculture in the most fascinating ways. Welcome to a high-tech fish manufacturing plant. First up, let's talk about automation. In this plant, everything is automated. From feeding the fish to monitoring their health, cutting-edge sensors and AI systems are in play. These sensors track everything: water quality, temperature, and even the fish's growth rate. It's like having a 24/7 fish babysitter, but way cooler. Now you might wonder, what's the big deal about water quality? Well, maintaining optimal water conditions is crucial for the fish's health. Advanced filtration systems ensure that the water is always clean and oxygenated. Think of it as a high-tech spa for the fish. Next, let's talk about feeding. Traditional fish farming can be wasteful, with up to 30% of the feed going uneaten and polluting the water. But here, automated feeders deliver precise amounts of food at the exact right times, reducing waste and maximizing growth. And it doesn't stop there. The plant uses data analytics to optimize every aspect of the farming process. By collecting and analyzing data on fish behavior and growth, they can make real-time adjustments. It's like having a data-driven fish whisperer. One of the coolest parts? The plant is designed to be sustainable. It uses renewable energy sources like solar power to reduce its carbon footprint. Plus, the waste products from the fish are recycled into fertilizers, creating a closed-loop system. So why does all this matter? With the global demand for fish on the rise, sustainable and efficient farming methods are more important than ever. This high-tech approach not only boosts productivity, but also ensures the health and welfare of the fish. That's a quick tour inside a modern fish manufacturing plant where innovation is driving the future of fish farming. If you're as fascinated by this as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Catch you in the next one.